Welcome to our online microblading training course overview. This is a sneak peek of the online backend. Our courses are meticulously crafted, offering step-by-step instructions. There are many lessons to ensure we cover all aspects of the microblading industry. With Skinart, you'll delve into the world of microblading, mastering over 6 different strokes as well as powder brows. No prior experience in makeup? No worries. Many of our successful students started with a blank canvas. Learn to craft symmetric and appealing brows with easy techniques and delve into the Skinart technique, marrying artistic flair and scientific precision in microblading. Get acquainted with the latest microblading equipment and tools, understanding their unique roles in creating flawless results. From anesthetics to pigments, we'll guide you through the essentials, ensuring you're confident in every procedure. PMU is not just an art, it's a business. We'll guide you through setting up, licensing, and thriving in your microblading venture. From client consultations, managing bookings, to aftercare advice, we ensure you're prepared to handle all aspects of the microblading business. Master the art of showcasing your work. Learn about microblading photography, creating portfolios, and promoting yourself on social media. Safety first, we emphasize the importance of maintaining a sterile environment, ensuring the well-being of both you and your clients. From understanding skin types, selecting the right pigments, to managing client expectations, we cover it all. Your learning journey kicks off as soon as you sign up. Engage with many hours of online theory training, complemented by practical assignments to test your newfound knowledge. If you order a microblading kit from us, we'll ensure it reaches you promptly, allowing you to practice as you learn. Continue your learning with additional online content, diving deeper into advanced microblading techniques and industry secrets. In just a few weeks, you'll be ready to receive your well-earned certificates, marking your entry into the world of microblading. For those of you in or willing to travel to New Zealand, we offer an in-person training course for a more hands-on learning experience. It's a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself fully and get direct feedback from our experienced trainers. Microblading is more than just makeup. It's a life-changing skill that can boost confidence and transform lives. Join us and let's redefine beauty standards together. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content.